unnecessarily expensive. Yes. And my sunshade. Father, the mother of all blenders. That is my next target. This is 1 pint of chili pepper. So you know all those videos that we see online where they put bay leaves, cloves, and in flour, or maybe yam flour, any flour at all, or anything that you want to preserve from weevil or all those insect attack. I don't think they are true. I don't think they are true. They are all false. They are not true, because I got this my upper floor a month ago and I loaded them with bay leaves and cloves. And look at, guys, look at how these termites, is it termites or weevils, look at how they attacked this upper floor. So what I am doing now is I want to sieve them out. I'm going to sieve it. I'm going to sieve it twice. I'll sieve the first one and the second one. After that, I'll just gingerly pack everything inside my freezer. So all those things that I see online, they don't work. It doesn't work. I've tried and tested. So if you want to preserve your flour or anything, just buy them in small quantity. The amount that can enter your freezer, and store in your freezer. And when you use it up, you buy another one. Honestly, it did not work for me. It is not working. So I'll just finish sieving all these things and just pack them in my freezer. They are very, very safe. Very, very safe in the freezer. Yeah. So I'll just go and put it in my freezer. I don't know how. So I'm about to work on these peppers. I have the green and the yellow pepper. So what I want to do is I'm going to shade the green one into two parts. One part I will dry, one part, and the other part I will just blend them roughly, mold them, and put them in the freezer. That way, if I want to use the fresh one, I'll get the one in the freezer. If I want the dry one, I will use the dry one. Yep. So I don't know, I kind of prefer green and yellow pepper to the red one, because these two peppers, their flavor is top notch. Like the kind of flavor they give to food, I love it. So I go to market, if I do not see red pepper, although red pepper, they dominate in the market more than all these ones. And you guys, I don't know why yellow pepper is, like, will I say unnecessarily expensive? Yes, because of course I know it has a lot of flavor, but that does not warrant the amount they sell this yellow pepper. You guys believe that all this pepper here, all this yellow pepper here, I bought them for 1,500 naira. Like, this yellow pepper is overhyped. I know that, it's overpriced. I know that they are loaded with a lot of flavor. Their flavor is good, but I don't know why they are so expensive. They are so expensive. They are so expensive. Yellow pepper. Like I said, I will divide these green ones into two. I will dry one and prepare the other one and put in the freezer. So I have this chili pepper. So I have this chili pepper that I dried overnight. See, they are already well dried, so they are chili peppers. So I'm going to blend them and store them away while I prepare this one. While I prepare these ones and dry them. Yep. Oh, they are so dried. You guys, all this chili pepper you are seeing here is one pint, like one pint of chili pepper. Look at what it has reduced to after dehydrating it. This is one pint of chili pepper. So I'll just line them up in this tray. This is the hydrating tray. Hi guys, so I'm heading out now. I have a couple of errands to run and I'll be going to pick up my blender. The blender I took to Buchimi's the other time, they've called me that the blender is ready, so I'll be going to pick it up. And this is my casual outfit, just a jean trouser and this lovely t-shirts. Yeah, and my sunshade. Yeah, so let's go. So my blender is back. They said the coil was bad, that the problem with the blender is the coil, so they had to replace a new coil. And you guys, I spent 30,000 naira for a new coil. Yeah, then I got a new cup. I had to pick a new cup. I picked the 800 ml and this one, I think this one is 2000 ml. Yes, I had to pick a new one because see the old one, this one I use it for virtually everything. So and this one is transparent, but this one is tinted. So and the reason why the reason why I pick another one is I want to be using this for, you know, grinding tomatoes, peppers, you know, and all that. But this one I'll be using them for fruits, for my juices and smoothies. Yeah. So and this one also was 30,000. This one 15,000, you guys. So I just spent 75k. No. But yeah, it's all right. It's better than getting, you know, a new blender entirely. At least this one now, if this one should serve me for another 4 years, I'm okay. Yeah. So like I said, if this blender should serve me for like another 4 years, I'm okay. If I'm buying a new blender, the only blender I want now is Vitamix. Vitamix, the mother of all blenders. That is my next target, and I am saving up for it. I will buy, if I should buy new blender, it has to be Vitamix. Yes, I've seen good reviews about that blender, and I want to have that blender. I want to have that. I don't think people don't know much about it, but that blender is a beast. So yeah guys, so guys, that will be all for today, and I'll be ending this vlog here. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome, thank you for tuning in. My name is Uzo and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos. I do videos around food, lifestyle, beauty. I'm just living and sharing my life. Yeah, so please don't make it to your last. Please support me by subscribing to my channel, you know, give me a comment, like my videos. Thank you so much for clicking, for watching my videos. Yeah, so I'll be ending this video here, and I will see you guys in my next video.